Hello there guys, welcome back to another anatomy video, embryology video. I am sorry for the very long break in transmission, tests and stuff and immigration. Anyway, let's have a look at the development of the head and now looking at the development of the trunk, the skeleton of the trunk. So first off, the trunk really developed from the parietal mesoderm, which would then form somites. Now how do we form the somites? Let's go over here. Now, first of all, you have the parietal mesoderm start forming somatocele. By this somatocele, it helps to break the somite into two, dermatomyotome and scleratome. Now, eventually, the dermatomyotome will break into dermatome, myotome. They also have the scleratome. And scleratome is important for the bone formation, which we'll be having here. Now, in isomites, we have a rostral portion and a caudal portion. Rostral is blue, caudal is red. Now, the rostral and the caudal will fuse to allow the nerves in the neural tube to pass through. Now, after the fuse, which is the resegmentation process, we now have the intravertebral spaces to allow the nerve pass through. And you can see spinal nerve passing through, and now we have diffused somites. Now, eventually, this scleratome they move around the neural tube and form the vertebra. So we have the vertebral body, vertebral arch is your neural tube, which becomes the spinal cord, spinous process, and eventually the ribs from it too. So this is how the vertebrae and the ribs of the trunk forms. Now over here we're looking at the formation of the sternum, and the sternum forms from the lateral plate mesoderm around this part in the embryo. So we have four cartilage models coming together, fusing, and then going through endochondral ossification. If you remember how that one works, it's from the mesenchymal cell, then turns to chondrocytes, and then osteoblasts. So at the end of the day, you have your manobrum, the body, and the xiphoid process, which will then attach to the ribs and form your trunk, which are your thorax. Very easy.